here. What I'm going to do now is just actually go for some live bait. Probably go for a bit of herring or something. Very simple rig. Got a float, very small hook, a bit of squid bait on it. Cast out in the water, that's how we go. Should have bought some burley, but didn't have any this morning. Okay, first fish of the day. Oh, beautiful. Exactly what I'm looking for. Bait size, live bait herring, nice and small. Lovely. That's a really good small size. I'm going to use that for a live bait. What I'm going to do, put them in the water. And I've got a tank to keep them oxygenated. There you go. Probably too much water, he will jump out, so I've got to watch out. I just saw my rod moving. It went tap tap. Well, here you go, see that? See that? Someone's going for it. It's got to wait. See if I can set the hook. Yeah, it's really strange. Something has definitely, I don't know if something's got it or just let's investigate. Must be a few dickers out there. Got no weight at all. Let's see if the bait's still there. Yep. Alright. Yep, bait's still there. Yep. It's still looks pretty good. It is getting beaten up by other small stuff, but that might attract the bigger fish. Keep going. Slowly we'll get there and I'll get that live bait on there later on. There you go. Off the rocks, you really don't have to cast too far. That was probably way too far, but because most of the big fish hug the rocks nice and close. So put this down here on the rod. Right thing here. It's not the best rod holder, but will do. Medium drag, in case it's a mile away, they like to run with it. Okay. So as I said, I want to keep this guy alive. We've got one of these aerator things. That's on, yep. There we go. That should keep them well oxygenated. Get a couple more and put them on the hook. Just do it. There you go. A tiny one. Didn't notice it was on. Oh. Beautiful. Great size for bait. Beautiful, nice and small. Lovely. Oh. There you go. You just see that float disappear underneath the water. Knew I had a hook up. Oh, he came off. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate that. Yeah, it's small enough. Wasn't set the hook properly. Concentrate, man. And that drag on this thing. There you go. Oh, he went under. Didn't hook him.
Yeah, mate.
Not bad, mate. Self?
I've seen it before somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Video.
Yeah, that's right. That's...
Oh, I fucking hell, I've been laughing there. I just when you put that up, mum. Tom, mate.
Tom. Doesn't make you, mate.
Tom, mate. Yeah, I like it. I seen the camera, I thought, I bet you that's the bloke I was watching the fucking video that night.
What's that, the calamari one, was it?
Well, yeah.
Oh, Longy.
Longy,
yeah.
He's a character.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, no, it's good bloke, yeah.
Yeah, he's a funny gun.
I think it was over here before, but I didn't think he's going for squid or whatever it is, yeah.
Live baits make a difference.
That's it, I mean, it's better than having a live bait out there than having something that's getting eaten up, you know?
Because apparently there was one time, my mate was telling us, talking to him, was fishing in the toilets there, on the inside, at night. And he was just in liveys, and he reckons his rolls always going. I says, well, fuck the squid grab. That's what it was.
That's it, yeah. So what do you reckon, Nick? What do you suggest to with a live bait? You put the head that way. If I want to use this for live bait. Oh yeah, fuck.
Yeah, I normally put them the way you said, put head down first.
Yeah, gives them enough room to.
Yeah.
Just like that, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's why I normally put them on there.
Now these are snelled hooks. They're very good ones. They're owner hooks. They're expensive, so I don't want to go and snag them. Anyway, so that's a live bait. I'm going to ditch it out here. You can see he's very lively. If there's any big fish out there, he's just going to hone into this. And he's going to say thanks very much for lunch. And I'm going to say thanks very much for dinner for the next 2 weeks. There we go. Now you got to watch out because you get these birds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they see those snags, shags, whatever you call them.
Yeah, mate.
They go under and they go for them.
Yeah.
I don't want chicken today.
Fucking in the harbour, the seals, mate.
Shit.
Oh, the seals are bad, mate.
I never tried eating one of those. There's not much you can do when it's pretty cold. It's almost starting to rain. And I am freezing, and it's only over 10 o'clock in the morning here. And thought I'd just sit down here and get some warmth into me. So it is a tough game going for the big fish. A matter of making sure your bait's out in the water. That's the most important bit. And the next bit is just wait, be patient. And I know many times, and it also happens to a lot of people out there, that you can spend hours and hours and not get one hook up. That's how it goes. But you just got to give it a shot and always have that thing in your mind that, yep, that rod is going to buckle, line is going to peel out, fish on, glory days. Until that happens, I'm just going to rest up. Okay, probably catch up on some YouTube. You know any good shows out there? Leave a message. Having fun chasing this little herring on a small outfit. I just like seeing the float duck underwater. Not what I wanted, pufferfish. In days like this, you've got two choices. You can keep going, or you can count your losses and sort of go to your nearest tackle shop, buy a few things and might make you feel a bit better. I think I might do that, but let's see if I can get another one. And I'll bring these fish home and cook them up for lunch. Okay, this is better. This is better. Oh! He's right there, can I get him? Unbelievable. Oh, I put my head over it and he actually jumped into it. So I've got myself lunch. You beauty. Right, so it is time for me to move on. So It was bait, now it's going to become lunch. Okay, just went to the tackle shop, got myself all these goodies, squid jigs, lures for freshwater fish, brand new squid jig as well, very curious to try out. So anyway, let's get out of here before I get busted at home. Right, so I'm just putting up the 3 herring onto the grill. I haven't gutted them, I'm just going to cook them whole. I have skinned, scaled them. Let's see how it works out. Now it's time to hone into it. Just got to take a little piece, the top bit there, take the bread out of the way. It comes off the bone nice and easy, so it's definitely cooked. Oh, who says you can't eat your bait? Fresh herring I caught today, intended for big fish. They didn't come to the party, so I decided to make my own party. Oh well. Whew. Juicy. Beautiful. So there you go. Fresh herring fillet on nice warm bread. Just take off the main bony bit. That's the head. There you go. Look at that. Lovely bit of meat. Really nice. Absolutely nice. Hasn't got a strong fishy flavour at all. Nice and hot. I love the way this is meant to be eaten. Beautiful. It's absolutely delightful.